If you were approved for $24,500 with no income verification, direct deposit in your checking account in 48 hours, would you take it? Because personal loan companies like Upstart make getting approved insanely easy, even if your credit is a bit bruised up. Quick context, guys. From what I've seen, this is kind of wild, but people with high 500 credit scores and low 600s are getting approved 10 to 20K, and stronger profiles are getting 30 to 50K, with APRs ranging from the low teens all the way to 30% plus, with origination fees baked in too. So yes, they approve, but the question is, at what cost? If you're new to the channel, it's Credit with Colin. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about how to leverage your credit, establish relationships with banks, and how to use bank data points to get approved for high limit funding. I'm a United States Marine Corps veteran. I'm the founder of Freedom Funders. My team and I have helped entrepreneurs, business owners, investors secure more than $90 million in funding, and we currently fund over $4 million a month, mostly 0% business credit cards and business lines of credit, not 30% personal loans like this one. So if you have any questions at all, be sure to drop them in the comments. I'll personally answer every single question in the comments. And if you have any experience with this lender or you end up running this play, drop some sauce, don't gatekeep. Share it in the comments. Let us know if you were approved, what the data points were with your fellow subscribers. Be sure to share the knowledge and love always, guys. So let's get right into it. Upstart is one of the biggest players in the game right now, so let me get you all the data points you need to know to get approved. Upstart's a fintech lending platform that does two things: direct-to-consumer personal loans and underwriting engine for banks and credit unions. So you can get a loan directly from Upstart, or you could apply at certain banks or credit unions that are using Upstart's algorithm and AI behind the scenes for approvals. They market themselves as smarter than FICO. They use AI and machine learning to judge risk instead of just approving people based off of their credit score, which actually even helps those with bad credit potentially get approved. Now, behind the scenes, they use your TransUnion Bureau when they're trying to get you pre-approved. They layer in income, job, education, location, and offer same-day approvals with a soft pull. Now, that's a sales pitch. Let's talk about numbers. So here's a core structure of an Upstart personal loan. The amounts range from $1,000 to $50K, and the term is typically 3 years to 5 years. The best use cases are typically credit card debt consolidation, personal loans for large purchases like medical, weddings, and home improvement really helps as well. The pre-qualification, they'll do a soft pull in your TransUnion where they will check your rates. And if you do accept the offer, that's when they do a hard pull in your TransUnion. Now, money can hit your account as soon as the next business day. And keep in mind, there's no prepayment penalty usually. This means you could pay it off early if you want to. Now, on paper, that all sounds great. Quick approval, low friction, no prepayment penalty. The problem is what's hiding in the APR and the fees, though. Upstart is not just saying, here's your 620 credit score. All right, well, here's your rate. They're looking at location, your cost of living, like Los Angeles versus rural Midwest gets treated very differently. They're looking at your employment situation, your job type, the industry stability, the time at that employer, your income, do your numbers support the payments, your education even, where you went to school, what type of degree you have. They even ask what school for some of our clients and what type of bachelor's and whether or not you've finished it. They also look at basic credit history. They still care about, the usual stuff, late pays, utilization, collections, etc. And all of that gets thrown into their model. And the model decides yes or no, and how much, and at what rate. So yes, people with weaker credit, like high 500s and low 600s, can still get approved, but they generally won't get like a good deal, as you're gonna find out. So let's be fair. Here are some really cool advantages of this loan. It's access for even those with fair credit or even bad credit. They look at more than just your FICO. People in the 500s, low 600s sometimes even get approvals. The speed, right? You're pre-qualifying in minutes and money as fast as the next day, often with no docs. No prepayment penalty. If you have a short-term plan and pay it down fast, you could avoid most of that long-term interest and save some money and kind of make this make sense. Now, simplification for consolidation. If you're buried across 5 to 10 credit cards, one fixed payment could be cleaner if the total cost is lower. So Upstart can be a tool, but let's talk about why I still treat it as like a last resort tool, not a default move. I'd probably go with like SoFi or Best Egg. So here's where the us versus them part shows up. High interest rates, often very extreme. I've seen APRs in the 20s and even the 30s, but also we've seen some of the low teens for those with excellent credit too. Some offers are north of 30% though, and once you factor in everything, that gets very expensive. That's like credit card level or worse pricing wrapped in a fixed personal loan label. There's also origination fees. They take a huge chunk off the top before you even see the money. So you might be approved for 20K, but they only transfer 18K to you, but you're still paying interest on the entire 20K. So it's not that sexy. It's kind of expensive, guys. It's a consumer finance trade line. This is not the same thing as a prime personal loan from a major bank. These type of accounts look riskier on your profile than like a Navy Fed personal loan. There's also a psychological trap, right? Instant approval, soft pull, pre-qual. It makes it feel like the algorithm knows something that you don't, but in reality, it just knows how much profit they could extract without you defaulting. I'm not going to pretend nobody watching this will ever touch Upstart. Some of you will, and debt is all relative. If you can borrow 20K, even at a higher interest rate, if the investment you make cash flows more than the debt, you are leveraging debt in a smart way. If you are going to do it, here's how to use it like a scalpel, not a grenade. Only use it with a clear short-term plan. You know exactly what you're using the money for, how it's going to either generate you savings or income, and how you're going to pay it off, ideally in 12 to 24 months, not the full 5 years, or you're going to eat a lot of interest payments. Use it for strategic consolidation, not lifestyle. If you're paying 30% on cards, but Upstart gets you approved for 16% or 18%, and you're disciplined about the payoff, that could be a big win. If you're using it for random consumption, that's a trap, guys. Choose your reason carefully. Stick with debt consolidation, credit cards, general large purchases like medical or home improvement, and avoid business loan, startup, student loan, reason codes like that, because their algorithm may auto-nerf those categories and get you denied. And aggressively prepay. Take advantage of no prepayment penalty. Make extra payments. Treat it like a short-term bridge loan, not a 5-year roommate in your budget. And do not touch, if possible, 30% plus APR. If the offer is 30% plus, in my opinion, it's almost never worth it at that point. You don't really need funding. You need a turnaround plan for your finances. Got to get your credit fixed. Got to consolidate your debt and get everything squared away. Now, one huge way our clients like to use this is actually to season this loan into a business checking account prior to applying for business funding. By doing this, they get way bigger, better 0% approvals and no doc business lines of credit, or sometimes even as a down payment on a Section 8 rental property or an investment if the numbers make sense. Traditional banks and fintechs are both playing the same game. Use data and AI to forecast exactly how much they can charge you, get you hooked on instant approvals and no credit required messaging, and extract as much interest as possible from you for as long as possible without pushing you into a default. That's their side. Our side is different, guys. It's us versus them. We fix our credit. We build it to 700 plus. We use 0% business credit cards and no doc business lines of credit, and we deploy it into cash flowing assets. We start a business, scale a business. We invest for passive income, real estate, and so on. Things that pay us back, assets that build wealth for our family. So to recap what we went over, guys, Upstart offers no doc personal loans up to 50K, often with same-day offers and quick deposits to your checking account. It's a soft pull on TransUnion to check for an offer, and if you accept that offer, it'll be a hard pull on your TransUnion. And even people with a high 500 credit score, low 600, can often get approved, although the interest rate won't be pretty, and they often approve with no docs as well. Now, some of the best reasons for this loan is debt consolidation, medical expense, or home improvement, and it could be a great cash flow play in the right investment vehicle or asset if you know what you're doing. As always, guys, links for credit repair and business funding are in the pinned comment and the description below. Be sure to like and subscribe for all this value. And if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments. I'll personally answer all your questions. And if you have any experience or you run this play with this lender, drop some sauce in the comments for your fellow subscribers. Share the knowledge, share the love. Always, guys, it's us versus them. Be sure to like and subscribe. It's Credit with Colin. See you guys on the next one.